Alright guys, so we done clean up the injectors already, these 100-year-old injectors. Right? Get them a nice spray down. I use this pass and grease cleaner here. And spray it in the injectors, spray it outside, you see, to remove grease and dust and all them things. Nice. So let's clean out the outside of it, so you ain't gonna have that problem. Right? Mind the little rust and thing. Jesus Christ. Right. Stop this one here, all four of them clean up nice outside. So now we're going to see to spray them out. So nice and clean, we can get them out. So I'm gonna spray from this side first. And see if I can push up our old thing from that side and then the other side. And afterwards I'll try to see if I can spray out these holes and I'm gonna get them all clean and nice. So the contacts will be clean and nice as well. You don't want to have a power problem with each one of them as well. So let's go. So you're actually using this. Hope you guys can see it. Alright. Let's begin. Okay, man. Keep this thing too close to your eyes. I want us to actually do it too though. That one's actually nasty inside. I don't know which one this one came out from, but I want to actually do it to you inside. Alright? Start again. So you take your reel as well. You take your reel as well. Clean as well, and you clean out the reel as well. Right? Trust me, even the holes and with the injectors going in there and all this as well. So make sure and get all that a good clean out. It's a bottle finish. Nice. Don't know if you guys have a different injector reel from me, but let's see what I have. Can you come back? Get through? I'll get through the time. Hey. Everything must focus all the time, eh? I get through there. You seen?